Use the digital key. The Genesis digital key is a digital service that enables control of the vehicle doors using a smartphone or card key without a smart key. To register a smartphone as a digital key, download the Genesis Connected Services app from the Google Play Store or App Store. First, place one smart key inside the vehicle. Then, open the Genesis Connected Services app. Select the vehicle and select Vehicle Digital Key Settings to activate the registration screen. Select Settings, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, My Smartphone Key on the navigation screen to enter the digital key registration menu. After pressing the Register button in the Genesis Connected Services app of your smartphone, follow the instructions to set it to registration mode. And then, place the smartphone on the indoor wireless charger with the back of the smartphone facing down. Select Register on the vehicle screen to proceed. When registration is complete, notification message is displayed on the vehicle's navigation screen. Remove the smartphone from the indoor wireless charger and follow the instructions on the smartphone screen to end. Once the digital key registration is complete, you can unlock the door by tagging your smartphone on the vehicle door handle without opening the Genesis Connected Services app. If Safety Unlock is set, only the driver's door is unlocked at the first tag. And if you tag it again, within 4 seconds, all doors are unlocked. After unlocking, if the door is not opened within 30 seconds, it will be locked again. To start the vehicle, you can put your smartphone on the indoor wireless charger and press the Start button while pressing the brake pedal. The digital key can be shared with up to 3 people via Samsung Pass or Apple Wallet. You can set the period and accessible function for each individual, and sharing will stop when you revoke the permission at any time. To delete the digital key from the vehicle, use the smart key to set the vehicle power on, and place one smart key in the vehicle. Select Delete All or Delete My Smartphone key in Settings, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key on the navigation screen. If you delete the digital key from the vehicle, the key in the smartphone is also removed. If you select Reset from the digital key menu of the Genesis Connected Services app, you can delete all digital keys registered in the vehicle, including shared keys. Always take your digital key with you when getting out of the vehicle. If you want to leave the digital key in the car and leave, the door can be locked with the central door lock button inside the car.